Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's begin with opening the settings. Right here we have to scroll and go to the top actually to find network and internet. Then let's go to Private DNS. Mark Private DNS provider hostname, and here in this section enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied, and thanks to using it, your device will limit the advertisements. Moreover, here in this section, in the settings, we have to find the Google section and go to all services. Then scroll and find ads. And this is the section which is connected with so-called advertising ID. And I just wanted to explain what it actually is. So let's imagine that you are looking for a specific item, for example, a lamp or a desk or I don't know, or a specific pants, whatever. You are looking for that, and after it, your device will show you a lot of advertisements with that kind of item, a better offer from another store or different variations of that item, etc. And basically this is what advertising ID is. It is personalizing the advertisements based on your previous searches. So resetting it or removing it will maybe it will not limit the amount of advertisements that you receive. However, it will remove the personalization, which is also great. So simply tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then Delete Advertising ID. And this is how to limit the personalization of the advertisements. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to simply turn off the notifications from apps that are showing you the advertisements. For example, if you've got the app that is showing you advertisements here in this notification center, I highly recommend to find it, tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Here, let's go to notifications. And as you can see, here we've got the notifications and different categories of the notifications. And what I highly recommend to do is to scroll and find the category which is somehow connected with the advertisements. So for example, in my case, payments, deals, and recommendations. We can turn it off simply by tapping on the switcher next to it. Obviously, if you don't really need any notifications from this app because it is, for example, a game, then I highly recommend to simply turn off all of the notifications just by tapping on the switcher at the top. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check the ad blocks. And I know it might be obvious for most of you probably, but I just wanted to draw your attention to this solution because nowadays we do not have only the ad blocks which are assigned or connected with the browsers only, but also which are connected with the system. So for example, let's enter the Play Store. You need to be logged in. Be aware about that. So simply log in here or in the settings. You can check our tutorial of how to actually add the Google account to this device. And come back here. Here, just enter ad blocker, whatever. Just tap on it and just search through the results here. As you can see, we've got something called ad blocker for Android, so for the whole system. We've got the content blocker, so it is not only assigned to the specific browser. And hopefully you will find something that will help you with blocking the advertisements. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.